Alright, so my full race exhaust just got here today, so I figured I'd do another unboxing. Show you guys what you get when you order it. I opened the box, I haven't got in here yet. Alright, that's all that's in there. Of course, you always got the decal for race, license plate, frame, pretty cool. And the exhaust is in there. This is the adapter that goes to the header. Like that. And we got the resonator mid pipe. And the muffler. I assume all the clamps. And it looks like there's a gasket in there as well. That's it. It's pretty nice though. I will take it out and we'll see how it looks. Alright, I got it out of the bags so you can see what it looks like. So this is the muffler. Looks really nice. It's a 76 millimeter 3-inch exhaust. The mid pipe with the resonator on it. And the adapter that adapts to your header. It all looks really, really nice. We'll see how it sounds. I'll definitely do a sound check video. Maybe an installation video for this one. That's it. Looks really quality, feels really quality. I was kind of torn between this and the Q300 exhaust, but seems that even though this is kind of more like lean towards turbo or supercharged cars, but people seem to get really good gains with this one, so just went with this. So I just have to get exhaust once, not mess with it again if I end up going turbo or supercharged or whatever. That's it. That's what you get. Looks pretty nice. Another video coming soon.